Hey guys, it's Noah, and today I'm finally going to be unboxing the Mini Mila Air Purifier in Smoky Gray. I have been wanting an air purifier for so long now, and the fact that I finally have one is just insane because someone who suffers from seasonal allergies, you definitely need to grab one for your space. Also, the fact that the Mini Mila Air Purifier is also sleek, smart, and efficient for my space, I am really excited to finally check this out with you, so let's get into the unboxing. As soon as you open your air purifier box, you will get a little, as soon as you open it, the box on the inside, like that, it's basically just like a welcome guide on how to get it started, how to take out the filter from the air purifier, because you guys need to remember that, there's plastic on the filter that has to be taken out. I don't know what these balloons are. I still don't know why I got balloons. I think it was just I really don't know. That was really funny to get balloons because I wasn't expecting that. That's the black piece covering the purifier top. I honestly love this white bag that came with it. I wasn't expecting the purifier to be wrapped in like this mesh bag, but it was really nice to see that. It's really giving premium quality packaging, which I love. This is the charging cable. Mila, why didn't you not make this gray? Like, this would have looked better in gray, honestly. Match the aesthetic. Out of the box, Mila's packaging is super minimal and clean, which I love. It gives Apple vibes. You get the purifier itself, a user guide, and the filter comes pre-installed. This is the smoky gray color, and honestly, it is so aesthetic. It literally fits the aesthetic of my room, as you guys can see with my two desks. The texture is matte, super smooth, and it looks modern without being too flashy. It'll blend right into any room. So, stupid me, what I literally forgot is, okay, the filter's been unwrapped, put in the Mila, and then I completely forgot I bought the sock. Now you're probably wondering, what is the sock? The sock sits over your filter and helps trap larger dust particles, which means you won't need to replace the filter every 6 months. And it's also a great way to stretch your filter's lifespan and save a bit in the long run. You just have to wash the Mila sock by hand in cold, warm water and let dry completely before fitting it back into your Mila filter, of course. So let's get this unboxed because I completely forgot that I bought this and I'm like, what the... Anyways. Where's my trusty old knife? Okay. I'm doing this on this way. Okay, perfect. Oh, hello? It comes with 3, you guys. 3 filter socks. You only need 1, but it comes with 3. So I don't know how to attach this, so we're gonna figure this out. Okay, let me figure this out and then get back to you. So after some researching, yes, this is what it's supposed to look like. This is the sock. Perfect. Okay, now let's put this back in the purifier like so. It's just a slide, push in like that, and then you put this in like this, and then I need 2 hands, so I gotta put you down. Okay, so the Mila has been plugged in, and you just have to turn it onto its side to go to the bottom here, and there's a little switch, and you just turn that on. I love that. Okay, let's set this up. Tap on the plus sign and you will select the provider that you got your Mila from. I chose the website, and you will choose which room it goes in or will be in, and I put guest room. So the Mila's turned on, and what you do is you just follow the instructions here. Find the network for the Mila to the app to load. And then once it loads, you will just see briefly here that you're gonna search for the network and then tap your network and then enter your password. So one thing is the auto magic settings within the Mila app. So you can go into the control center and go into your auto magic settings. You can set your bedtime, and basically what I didn't even know, that you can set like housekeeping, like what? Like it will deep clean your room when no one is around. Obviously, it will like clean the air. And then there is like turn down service. So this is activated an hour before bedtime to give your room a deep clean to reduce nighttime allergies. Okay, that's definitely going to be turned on for me. Then you got white noise. So for those people that are like myself that need something like sound to sleep, you can do all of this. And Mila has like soothing rhythms of the oscillating fans. Okay, I love. Oh my god. Okay, you guys. Then there's like obviously quiet mode, which reduces fan speeds to whisper quiet levels when you're in the room. And then there's sleep mode, which lights off, reduce fan speeds, and control fan fluctuations for when you are sleeping. Then there's like energy save mode and bubble boy mode, which basically lets Mila take the gloves off, not literally, and makes your room particle free regardless of the noise level. Like there's so many things you can do. Obviously child lock mode, I'm like shocked. Hey guys, it's future Noah popping in here with a 2.5 week update on my Mila Air Mini experience. So right after unboxing it, which was around May 15th, I started to notice a clicking sound, which I will insert here, coming from the fan. At first I brushed it off thinking maybe it was just the fan kicking in or adjusting, but once I turned on the white noise setting at night, it became clear something wasn't right. The clicking did persist and there was no airflow. That's when I realized the fan was not working properly. Less than 24 hours into owning the unit, I submitted a warranty claim because I knew this wasn't normal. Now here's the update. I will insert all the screenshots between me and Mila with regards to this issue. So as you guys saw, Mila got back to me and clarified that this wasn't a manufacturing defect like I initially thought. Instead, they believe the issue was caused by rough handling during transit. Thank you very much, Pure Later, for that. Apparently, while it is rare, a hard knock during shipping can mess with internal components like the fan. They also mentioned that the issue has already been flagged internally and they're getting a replacement shipped out to me right away, which the replacement actually did arrive today. Just to let you guys know. They sent me a return label as well with the replacement unit so that I can return the one that isn't working back to them. I do want to say, even with this hiccup, I still stand by what I said earlier in the video. The design and build quality on the outside is genuinely premium. It doesn't look like a typical air purifier. It blends in like a home decor piece. It gives that modern, minimal, almost IKEA-like aesthetic. So that said, I'll definitely be keeping you guys posted on X on how the replacement performs and whether the experience lives up to the Mila promise. So stay tuned for that and let's roll the outro. So that's everything that came in the box, how to set it up, and a quick look at the UI and features. I'm excited to see how this improves the air quality in my space, but so far loving the setup experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, as well as turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Also, if you want to check out my other socials, they are linked in the link tree description down below. Continue to spread positivity, and I will see you all in the next one.